Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Happily Exhausted Mama. If you are new here, I'm Shayoni, a first-time mom to a 10-month-old baby boy. And before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm there as The Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I'm going to be doing a quick product review of a very popular and easily available shampoo in the Indian market, which is the Himalaya Gentle Baby Shampoo. Now this came in those big Himalaya gift boxes. This was the first shampoo I used on my baby. I knew the Himalaya brand, I liked the brand, so therefore I went ahead and used it. Now first off, this is a fairly affordable shampoo. This is 85 rupees for 100 ml, which it makes it probably one of the most affordable shampoos in the market. This is a natural product. It has a hibiscus and chickpea. Like all other Himalaya products, this is paraben free, SLS and synthetic color free, and it's supposed to have a gentle cooling effect also on the baby's scalp. And therefore, I went ahead and used it, but sadly I did not like the shampoo that much compared to a lot of other Himalaya products. I felt that the shampoo was too thick. I'll tell you what I'm talking about. Like, I'll show you the consistency of this one. First of all, you have to really do this, like shake the bottle up to take the shampoo out, and it's super thick. Like you can see, it's not even dripping, it's not budging, it's super thick, and you have to either dilute it with water or you have to make an effort to spread it across, around the baby's scalp. And what that does is that it takes a lot of time for you to then remove the product completely from your baby's scalp. You do not want any residue of any of the products you're using on your baby, be it the body wash or the soap or the shampoo, to remain on the baby's skin, because their skin is really gentle. Because it is so thick, it takes so much time as a mother, when I am shampooing my baby's hair, to just take the product off completely. And small babies, you cannot bathe them for a long time, you cannot scrub their scalp too hard. Therefore this was a shampoo which I did not enjoy using. I wanted something which was lighter, thinner, more liquidy, which would easily be removed from my baby's scalp when I'm shampooing the baby's hair. It does have a strong fragrance which stays in the baby's hair for quite a while. I would prefer my product to be fragrance free, because sometimes babies can be irritated by the fragrance. However, this is not a bad fragrance, so I was okay with it. As I said, my biggest problem with the product is its consistency, its thickness, the fact it takes time to spread and then it takes time to remove from the scalp, and therefore I will not recommend this product. I think go for a different brand. Check the consistency of the shampoo before you buy it. If I know that's not possible, just ask other people who have used different brands and ask them how their shampoo feels like, because the texture for shampoo is important, especially in those early days when the baby's head is really soft. And as I said, good points are it's affordable, it's easily available, and it does clean the baby's hair. If you can manage to get all the product off, the baby's hair is clean, it smells nice, it does its job as it's supposed to do. The only negative being its thickness. So with that, this review is over. I hope you liked it, and I will see you soon. Bye.